The do's and don'ts of campfire cooking. Do pre-cook certain foods. Items like pasta can be cooked ahead and simply reheated, saving time and fuel. Don't leave food unattended. The variable heat of a campfire can quickly turn your gourmet meal into a charred disaster. Do plan ahead. Prep as much as you can before heading to the campsite. Don't use river rocks. They can explode due to moisture content. Do regulate heat. Use hardwoods like oak or hickory for a long-lasting, even bed of coals. Don't cook directly over flames. Unless you want a charred meal, wait for the fire to die down to embers or use the edge of the open fire.